Metal Fabrication and Welding. Grapco Tooling Inc. Industry leader in precision machining. Metal Fabrication and Welding. The evolutionary process of creating a metal product from layout and design to formation and finishing, we deliver you high-quality products regardless of complexity. Grapco Tooling Experts and Metal Fabricators proudly serves Mississauga and surrounding areas with honest, reliable, and high-quality workmanship. We provide our services to businesses and individuals. We do custom fabrication of sheet from 26 gauge to 1/2 inch material of cold-rolled steel, hot-rolled steel, chrome steel, aluminum, satin coat steel, galvanized steel, brass, copper, etc. We do prototype and style, shearing, punching, laser cutting, bending, welding, spot welding, and far more. It includes bookshelves, planter boxes, exhaust hood duct covers, correctional institution window and door frames, garbage bins, entertainment system shelving, speaker stands, aquarium stands, control boxes, display racks, literature racks, ladders, storage bins, warehouse racking, food processing chutes and slides, HVAC units, refrigeration units. We are an experienced sheet metal fabrication company in Mississauga. With every project we combat at Grapco Tooling, we attempt to craft custom metal products that bring your brilliant design into production. We've provided custom metal works to Mississauga businesses. And with over 120 years of combined experience within the industry, you'll believe us to supply models and prototypes with skilled craftsmanship. Services we offer. No matter what product design you would like to fashion, Grapco Tooling can do the work in our 20,000 square foot fabrication shop. For your convenience, we provide laser cutting, welding, shearing, cutting, punching, rolling, and bending. Additionally, to high-level custom metal fabrication services, we've flexible schedules and are ready to accommodate emergency projects. Whether you give us a CAD drawing or a hand sketch, we have the equipment and expertise to finish the work on time. We attempt to supply our customers with services that meet and even exceed their expectations. Contact Grapco phone 647-689-3672, phone 416-822-8645, email info@grapcotooling.com. Get a free quote. The advantage of putting together a custom product is that you simply have complete control over the planning. It'll be fabricated consistent with the specifications the customer requires. Counting on the complexity of the merchandise, we may require a prototype before fabricating the ultimate product. All custom products would require engineering, and drawings are going to provide for approval before we start fabrication. Come visit our fabrication shop. Laser cutting, metal bending, metal rolling, welding. Contact us at our metal works in Mississauga. We encourage all prospective clients to go to our fabrication shop to ascertain firsthand what we are capable of providing. Call or email us today to debate our services and/or to request a free quote.